I sustained myself for 2 months with only 3 measures of flour and 21 mercury pills. Whenever snow fell, I placed myself inside the sack that served as both a coat and a seat. I made a vow to undergo such hardships for the sake of the Dharma for 3 years. I meditated at hermitages in such places as Chimphu and occasionally went before the Guru to clarify my understanding of the instructions and make an offering of my practice, which delighted him. I had no attachment to the appearances of this life and was free from the trap of retaining hope and fear about saṃsāra and nirvāṇa. I had at least set out on the path to liberation through the view of the fundamental nature of the great perfection and constant abiding in samadhi.